A man heard you with
5 feet 10 inches tall and 190. Salt that ham and win by Salt Papi.
You know, maybe Bruckner should be more aggressive. Should he be trying way too stiff? All he needs. Shot from the distance.
shout bike, you bike clean.
Isang Pinoy YouTuber at influencer ang sumisikat ngayon maging sa mundo ng boxing. Walang iba kundi sina Taniel Bustamante o mas kilala bilang Super Salt Papi. Ang magulang ni Salt Papi ay parehong Pinoy at naninirahan sa United Kingdom. Sa kasalukuyan si Salt Papi ay may 5.4 million followers sa TikTok at 1.1 million sa Instagram at mahigit 600,000 subscribers sa YouTube. Dahil sa hilig nitong manood ng laban ni Manny Pacquiao, ay 10 years old pa lang si Salt Papi ay kinahiligan na nito ang boxing.
So how did you get Salt Papi into boxing?
I don't know. He's always watching, because we're always watching Manny Pacquiao fight, so that's why maybe.
True gladiator, 15 seconds, down goes the... We thought Morales was going down. Oh, and he does go down. Counter shot by Pacquiao. Oh, movement from Cotto to avoid those shots. Oh, and down again. Final 10 seconds of round one and had better than I thought.
Kaya taong 2022 nang pasukin ni Salt Papi ang boxing sa tulong at suporta ng kanyang pamilya, lalo na ang kanyang ama bilang kanyang trainer. Samantala August 2022 nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang hambog at maangas na Canadian boxer na si Andy Warski.
Really? First round?
Yeah, that's my plan.
Buddy, come on, bro. Not even close. What are you doing? No one thinks I will win. And to all the haters out there,
London, you're going down. You hear me? No, I trained really hard for this, and I'm really excited for this. So it's an honor to even be here. And yeah, I'm gonna smash him tomorrow.
Dito pinakita ng Pinoy ang angas nito sa taas ng ring nang in-knockout nito ang Canadian boxer sa loob lang ng 20 seconds sa unang round.
The black Andy Warski
in the red. How about Salt
Philippines.
Expect a lot of showboating from Salt Papi. Ladies and gentlemen, Salt Papi is the real deal.
The Philippines celebrate. 1, 2, 3, light them up.
I'm interested to hear Chris Eubanks Jr. got his name after posting videos of himself pouring salt from above his shoulder like Salt Bay, and he just filled him up with some right.
Panalo si Salt Papi by a first round knockout. Samantala taong 2023 nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang mas matangkad at maskuladong Amerikano na si Joshua Brockner. Sa laban ng dalawa pinaglaruan lang ni Salt Papi ang Amerikano.
You know, maybe Bruckner should be more aggressive. Should he be trying to out?
Papi told him he was too slow, then 8-1 to the body. Chop staying composed, but that's too much. Too much room.
I'm sorry, Wade, but Bruckner just being way too stiff.
All he needs. Shot. But he has to follow up.
At sa round 2 dito ni-knockout ng Pinoy ang Amerikano.
Longer fighter should be touching Papi from the distance.
What a shot!
Man.
All over! Whoa! Papi train rolls down the
Panalo si Salt Papi by second round knockout. Samantala, May 11, 2024, nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang Polish boxer na si Amadeus Roslik o mas kilala bilang Amadeus Ferrari. Sa paghaharap ng dalawa ay minalait nito ang Pinoy at parang gusto pang lamunin ng buo ang ating pambato. Ngunit binugbog at pinasuko lang ng Pinoy ang Polish boxer. Sa pagsimula ng round 1 ay bakbakan na agad ang dalawa.
He loads up big time and obviously that leads you into falling into traps.
Salt Papi can't bring him in the corner. Maybe he has gotten underneath Salt Papi's skin. Oh! Physicality from Ferrari.
It's similar to the Josh Bruckner fight where Salt Papi caught him. Oh my God, Salt Papi's in serious trouble.
He's smiling though.
I'll tell you what, you can keep smiling. You can't take too many more of these.
He's got that same look in his eye. Oh my!
Salt Papi needs to move his feet. The thing about Ferrari is he's used to fighting 5-minute rounds. Oh, and he's dangerous, Ferrari.
Ferrari slipped down. Wow. Maybe it was a punch on the inside.
You see these MMA guys when you're a clever boxer.
Papi is cut. Amadeus went down.
This is the longest
boxing bout. It's going to get clipped. Papi tried to run down Ferrari.
Salt Papi was covered in blood around his chest now.
Oh, but look at Salt Papi trying to time the left straight.
It's not easy though, because this guy's leading with his head. It's dangerous actually.
He's trying to grind his head into the second point.
He is, he's doing it. Yeah. He is doing it. He's leading with the head deliberately.
Well, Ferrari's looking his head into the other man's open wound.
I'm actually worried this guy might go full him to sort of dominate this fight.
Oh, did catch him. He's just itching to throw that right hand. There it is.
Oh. Even with the cut, I mean, he is unfazed. And Ferrari almost went through the ropes. Styrene to left. Rather swinging.
And there's your takedown.
He's got one speed, this guy. 100%. Salt Papi. That's what we want to see.
It's like he's locking in. Salt Papi's finger in. The optics when he gets hit, they just don't look good. Ferrari doesn't take
the punches like a boxer should. He's yet cannot be killed. And this guy has stole the show this week tonight.
Salt Papi mixing it up in the corner.
Oh, wow.
Incredible.
Giving him a chance. Those long-range shots, those straight shots that he knocked out Josh Bruckner with, they're the safe place for him. This isn't safe.
Ferrari clearing time and lets him land one of these big, wild shots.
Oh, he's going to get him. And he goes for a takedown. Brilliant. This guy, come on now.
That's a great three. He's tearing him apart. This is a dissection from Super Salt.
Naturally tired as well, to be fair.
What's he doing? Oh,
taking a point.
Yeah, Ferrari misfits with little gas tank.
Matapos ang round 3 ay di na tumayo at umayaw na nga ito sa laban. Panalo si Salt Papi via third round referee technical decision. Samantala nito lang July 7, 2024 ay muling napalaban si Salt Papi sa Coca-Cola Arena, Dubai na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Turkish boxer na si Dawood Termisi o mas kilala bilang Dawood Savage. Sa laban ng dalawa ay di kinayanan ang lakas ng Pinoy. 3 beses pinaluhod ang Turkish boxer at tinapos ng Pinoy sa loob lang ng unang round.
Trim. And automatically we see Salt Papi take the center of the ring as he starts to dominate with jabs and crosses.
Nice stance, southpaw by Salt Papi. Salt Papi is going forward only.
Papi's just asking him, come on, come in.
Ooh.
Nice body shots there.
No, it's done. Body shot. Oh, body shot. I don't think he can come out of this. Ooh, he hit it so hard, his kidney decided to have some salt and pepper.
He's got a 7, 8. He's going to continue.
Yes, he wants to continue.
He's going to continue
So-
reluctantly, but I think Poppy just smells blood now. He's toying with him at this moment. He can finish it.
You know, Savage is no Savage.
He can definitely finish it if he wants to here.
But that was sheer power, by the way. A beautiful body shot that we haven't seen a lot of body shots this evening, Ali.
I totally disagree with you. It's all been about body shots. But I think he's done, man. I think that first body shot took it out of him.
You know, the 3 knockdown
Rule, yeah.
is in effect, right? So if he gets one more time down,
he's going to finish it right now.
Yeah.
I mean, he should.
let's see if another body shot coming in his way. And Salt Poppy did not break a sweat, Ali.
Not even. But just complete different levels here. You know?
That's a 3 knockdown rule.
That's going to hurt, man.
Over.
That's going to hurt.
Panalo si Salt Poppy by a 4th round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.